Hello student. Now today I am going to explain you the third chapter of 8th standard Prahelika. What is the Prahelika? It is also a riddle. Now that is besides which are we have completed in this chapter. Now some slokas it is a given, and in on the basis of the slokas we will find that what is the given that what the puzzle is given here now. So first we read that is एक चक्षुर्न काकोस्य बिलमिच्छन्न पनग्गः क्षीयते वर्धते चैवन samudro न च चंद्रमा. That is the first riddle of you. Now what is the meaning of this? First it is given this has one eyes. एक चक्षुना means one eyes, but is not a crow. It means kakus. That is not kaka. It is not a crow. Bilamikchanna. It means that is wishing to go into a hole. Na panagga, not a snake. Panagga means snake. Kakos means crow. Bilam means hole. Ek chachu means one eyes. So here that is claimed that this has one eye. उसकी एक आँख है, but is not a crow. लेकिन वो crow नहीं है. In spite of wishing to go into a hole, is not a snake. उसकी जो इच्छा है वो होल में जाने की है, लेकिन वो स्नेक नहीं है. क्षीयते वर्धते चैव न समुद्रो न चंद्रमा. That is means this wants and waxes, but is neither a sea nor the moon. It means waxes becomes more. वर्धते बहुत ज़्यादा. क्षीयते means less होना. And न समुद्र, it's not a sea, न चंद्रमा, not the moon. तो क्या हमारा आंसर हो सकता है? That is needle. Needle, that is the answer. Okay, next riddle it is that chaturmukho na cha brahma vrisharudo na shankarah निर्जीव च निराहारी अजसम धान्य भक्षणम. That is given. It is chaturmukh is a chaturmukha. It is that is one with 4 faces. Brahmana, it means not Brahma and not Lord Brahma. That is Visharun, sitting on a bull. Nirjiv, non-living without living. And Nirahari, one who doesn't eat food. Ajrasam, it is given regularly. And Dhanya Bhakshanam, it means consumes grains. So that is the translation is it given. He has 4 faces. He has 4 faces but is not Brahma. उनके 4 faces हैं but वो ब्रह्मा नहीं है. He sits on a bull but is not a Lord Shankara. वो बुल के ऊपर बैठते हैं लेकिन वो शंकर नहीं है. He is non-living. वो एक निर्जीव है. Eats nothing, लेकिन वो कुछ भी खाता नहीं है. But still regularly consume grains. लेकिन वो जो grains होते हैं, अनाज होते हैं, वो खाता रहता है. So what is the answer is? The answer is that flour mill. It's a halam. Okay, the 4 faces are the 4 surfaces and the mill, and one stone is on the top of the other. It's sitting on a bull and regularly consume grain. When it grinds it is an if the grains is being consumed. कि जैसे हम grain अंदर डालते हैं वो क्या करता है, वो उसको consume करना मतलब अपने अंदर लेना, उसको flour में बदलना, change कर देता है. Now that is see the third number. अमुखः स्फुट वक्ता चयो जानाति स पंडितः वर्ताग्रे रथो याति भूमो तिष्ठति सारथी. So what is the third number? It is आपदो दूरगामी च साक्षरो न च पंडितः अमुखः स्फुट वक्ता चयो जानाति स पंडितः. It means what is the given? आपदा means that is a without feet, बिना पैर के. दूरगामी, on going a long distance. Sakshara means literate. Nacha Pandita, it means not a scholar. Amukha, Amukha, that is a one without a mouth. Sfutvakta, one who speaks frankly, जो clearly बात करे. यह, who या which person. Janati या Janati, knows. Sapandita, scholar. So what is the given here? The translation is that he is without feet, but one who goes long distance, is literate but is not a scholar. He has no mouth but still speaks frankly. Whoever knows this is a scholar. So what is the answer of this third number? The answer is written later. Okay. Now the next is given. Varta parvatagre ratho yati bhumo tisthati sarathi chalati vayuvegen padamekam nagachati. So what is the fourth number? It is given. Now parvatage means on the top of a mountain. On a mountain, rath, that is a chariot. Yati is a move or moving. Bhumo, on earth, on the ground. Sarathi, charioteer. Tishtati is standing. Ekam padam, one step. Nagachati, doesn't go. So what is here now? The chariot moves on the peak of a mountain and the charioteer stays on the ground. It moves with the speed of wind but doesn't go even one step. It means the chariot है, जो रथ है, वो माउंटेन के पीक के ऊपर से चल रहा है और जो चैरियट है वो स्टेज ऑन द ग्राउंड, वो ग्राउंड पे खड़ा है. इट मूव्स विद द स्पीड ऑफ विंड, वो जो चैरियट है वो विंड के स्पीड से चल रहा है बट वो एक स्टेप भी चल नहीं रहा है. तो वो क्या है? द आंसर इज दैट इज अ पॉटर व्हील. दैट इज अ पॉटर्स व्हील. यू कैन से द आंसर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज अ फिफ्थ नंबर. सुवर्णस्य 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 च जानकी प्रेषिता तव रामेण सुवर्णस्य च मुद्रिका. So here that is first the word meaning related to this sloka. He Suvarsa Janika means that is the Suvarsa, a greatest family. Okay, that is the greatest family. Ramed, O Lord Rama. Tavakrite, for you. Suvarasya, of lusters or colors. Suvarasya, that is a golden, made of gold it is. And Mudrika means that is a ring. And Preshita, it means has sent. So here that is given that in the sloka, Suvara, that is a noble family. It is a good. Varasya, a great family, we can say it is. Now here the poetic device, it is a given. O Hanuman, that is the saved to by the Sita. Okay. You of the noble family, Janak's daughter Sita, Lord Rama of the greatest family has sent this ring made of gold with lustrous color for you. So what is the answer of this here? That is a pun. That is a poetic device. What is the answer? That is a Suvarna. Okay. Now the next, Bhojanante cha kim peyam jayantah kasya vayasutah katham vishnupadam proktam takram shakrasya durlabham. So here that is given Bhojanante, at the end of the meal. Kim means what? Peyam means that is a drunk. Jayant is a name. Kasya, whose. Where, really. Suta means son. Vishnu Padam, the degree of Vishnu. Katham Prayoktam, how is it called? Said to be. Takram is buttermilk. Takram means buttermilk. Shrakasya means to Indra. Durlabham, hard to find, hard to get. So now it is the fourth quarter also states a strange fact. It is a difficult event for Indra to get buttermilk. This quarter show the importance and full usefulness of buttermilk. So what is that is what should be drunk at the end of meal. हम जब खाना खाते हैं तो लास्ट में क्या पीना चाहिए? बटर मिल्क. क्या बटर मिल्क पीना चाहिए? Whose son is जयंता? जयंत किसके लड़के हैं? इंद्रास. क्या इंदिरा के बेटे हैं? हाउ इज़ विष्णुज नेम सेड टू बी? जो विष्णु का नेम है वो कैसे कहा जा सकता है? डिफ़िकल्ट टू गेट. उसको कैसे हम पा सकते हैं? सो द हियर दैट इज़ अ गिवन. भोजनांते किम पेयम, दैट इज़ अ तक्रम, इट इज़ अ बटर मिल्क. सेकेंड इज़ अ जयंतः कस्य सुतः अस्ति, इट इज़ अ शक्रस्य. विष्णुपदम कथम प्रयोक्तम, an answer is a दुर्लभम. So this is the explanation of the third chapter. I hope you understand. It is a Prahelika for standard 8. I hope you understand. Thank you.